Hey guys, what's up? It's Justin Basl, and I'm going to try to do the voice of Carl Wheezer from Jimmy Neutron.
Hey everybody, my name is Carl Wheezer, and I like Jimmy's mom. I also like llamas.
Pretty much had to say llama like 1,000 times.
Llamas. Not as much as I like Jimmy's mom.
I don't know, if I was Jimmy Neutron, I wouldn't stand for that. I'd be like, dude, that's my mom!
Excuse me, can I have that croissant?
Can you say croissant one more time?
Sure. Croissant. Croissant.
That was actually making me hungry for croissants. Darn you, Carl. Thank you guys for watching, and to send you guys off with something, let's sing the theme song of Jimmy Neutron.
Got a blast! From here to the stars, go buy candy bars. Rides a kid with a knack for invention. With a super-powered mind, a mechanical canine rescues the day from sure destruction. This is a theme song for Jimmy Neutron.